So what do we know about Kimberly?
Kimberly bought this house with her husband, and her husband actually passed away, I believe it was a year after they bought the house. So, it's just tragic. I can't even imagine. Kimberly, she's so strong, even though she's been through such a hard thing, and yet she's still so hopeful. She's excited to get her house updated for her and her boys.
I'm glad to be able to help her.
I am too.
Here we are. Good morning.
Oh, so nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you. Okay, so this is your house.
Yes, I just love it. My husband and I bought it about 6 years ago.
Okay.
I'm Kimberly Carnahan. I live with my 2 youngest sons, Mark and Levi. My husband, Darren, and I, we have 6 kids altogether because when I married Darren, he was a widower. So I was blessed to become a mom to his 4 children. And then we had the 2 boys. So to be able to make this renovation come true is going to be completing a dream that my husband and I had when we moved in. So it means a lot to me. And looking forward to finish this final chapter in the life that my husband and I started.
Wow, had quite a journey as a family.
It's been hard, you know, being a single mom and 2 boys. They keep me busy and ready to get the house remodeled. I love to cook, and I have lots of friends over all the time. I need some space to entertain.
Love that. Okay, so what are you planning to spend on the remodel?
I've got about 130.
Okay. What would you like to do out here?
The outdoor needs a lot of updating.
The front of this house, it does feel dark and outdated. So what if we paint the brick and add cedar shake siding? Because it could really brighten and freshen up this exterior.
That sounds awesome.
The front porch, I'm sure you want to keep.
Absolutely. Before we got married, my husband had a dream one day. He saw us sitting in rocking chairs on a front porch. They didn't have front porches in Arizona, so he didn't understand that dream. And then when we were out here, it all made sense.
Oh my gosh, I have goosebumps. Look at that. Wow.
I love a front porch. It's a gathering place where I can hang out with friends, have a glass of wine, relax.
I love that. I'm such a front porch fan.
Anything else?
My boys love to play basketball, but we don't have a spot for them.
So they're right in the street. Well, that's a problem. So out here, we are gonna move the basketball court. We'll figure out a space. And then we are gonna paint the brick, add cedar shake siding, update the landscaping, and just make the front of this house warm and welcoming.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So excited.
You ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is cute.
Welcome. This is the living room.
You got all your boys' gear.
Yeah. The biggest thing that this house lacks is storage.
Do we need to create a drop zone for stuff? Because it's right when you walk in. Would you prefer to be able to?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I would love to use this room as a dining room so everyone could gather and eat here.
Yeah. What about the flooring?
I'd like to lighten up the colors.
That's what I was gonna ask. I also think we replace the tile. I mean, it just helps to have consistent flooring throughout. It'll make the space feel bigger.
It sounds good.
What do you envision the overall style?
I love modern farmhouse.
So warm and welcoming. I love that. So in here, the plan is new flooring, new paint, new lighting, and then we're gonna create a drop zone for the boys' gear and give you a beautiful farmhouse table.
That would be wonderful.
Okay, great. So let's go to the kitchen.
All right. The kitchen is really small. I would like to have some more cabinet space. This is where I spend all my time, is right here in the kitchen.
Sure.
Yeah.
Cooking and entertaining. So my kitchen is very crowded. I love to knock the wall out between the kitchen and the living room and open up this entire space.
Okay. So you have this doorway here, looks like to the laundry room. Is there another entrance?
Yeah.
If we close that in, then we could basically do a U-shaped kitchen.
But do you want to lose the easy access to your backyard?
One of the things I don't like, everyone had to walk through my laundry room to get outside.
So what if we kept the doorway right where this window is here? It solves the door from the laundry room that you don't want, and we can run the pantry all the way across.
That would be awesome.
So we are going to start off by removing this wall that you will be open to your new dining room. And of course, new cabinets, countertops, new lighting, and then finish it off with a beautiful new island. And then we're gonna close off this doorway into your laundry room, create a wall of cabinetry.
I just can't wait to entertain and cook for my family and friends.
That's awesome.
Where to? I'll follow you.
This is my family room. It's become kind of an all-purpose room for the boys.
Do you want to have a space for the boys' stuff?
I would prefer the stuff out of here.
What if we took storage across this whole area? We might lose the window.
Absolutely. I always envisioned having this whole wall be storage.
Okay. So for the family room, we're gonna do new flooring, keep it consistent with the rest of the house. We'll paint. And then to give you more storage, we'll do closed cabinets on the bottom with a countertop that stretches from wall to wall. And then we'll add open shelving to the top. This room needs to be a cozy space where you guys can spend time as a family.
Sounds wonderful.
Well, it's a big yard.
That's one of the things that we loved about this property. But the patio area is really small. I would just love to have a much bigger space for having people over.
We're going to be moving the door to here, so we'll have to expand all this anyway.
What do you think about maybe covering some of the space? It's so bright. That would give you the ability to entertain more.
A covered area would be awesome.
You guys have a fire pit. That's fun.
We used to use it a lot. It's harder for me because I don't chop wood.
Yeah, right.
Maybe a fire pit where you don't have to chop wood. Okay.
Yeah. So the plan out here is just creating a new patio space with a covered porch. You guys could walk straight out from your kitchen and have a table out there, and then update the fire pit so you and your family and friends can sit around and make memories.
So excited.
We got a good plan here.
Yeah.
Thank you both.
This is going to be a really special project. We'll
Nice
see
to
you
meet
soon.
you.
This home, it is more than just a renovation.
Good luck moving out.
Yes, put the boys to work. Dave, look, this whole wall.
Hit it again. You know what that means? There's no load on this.
Are you sure the entire house is not going to actually cave in on itself?
Let me cut a hole up in there and see.
Okay, let's check.
If this is a load-bearing wall, we will have to run a beam to support the ceiling above it. There's no ceiling pressure at all, and I'm ecstatic because I don't have to run a beam. Let's open this all up.
Woo!
Timber!
Wow, we have an open room. That looks good.
So good. I'm closing off the old doorway in between the kitchen and laundry room and removing a window in the family room because we need to make the wall flush for the new cabinets. And on the back of the house, I'm creating a new doorway to the kitchen, which will be Kimberly's access to the back patio. And as a bonus, I can repurpose the kitchen window to close off the old doorway in the laundry room.
A lot of cabinets.
Chris, I can't believe you got them all on here. Kimberly had virtually no storage before. We are gonna change that. We're just gonna slide it behind the door here. Rename this house House of Cabinets. Hold on. Whew. We're replacing Kimberly's old French doors with barn doors to give her more space in the dining room.
Bingo.
We're also installing tongue and groove planks in the new drop zone, which will give us some rustic charm in that entryway.
So we need to figure out this island. Like, this is a lot of built-in cabinetry.
Yeah,
So I want this to feel like an old piece of furniture.
like an old farm table.
Exactly. I don't want to do a traditional island because it is a small space, and because we were able to give Kimberly the storage she was lacking. I think a farmhouse island will be perfect because it looks great in the kitchen, but it also helps the space to feel open. Kimberly loves to entertain. She loves to spend time with her friends and family, and she has really been lacking space outside. So we're creating a bigger patio,
We want the back porch to be an extension of Kimberly's house.
but we don't want to forget about her boys. They need some fun areas to hang out.
And so on the side of the house, we're creating a basketball court. They'll have a little place that they can shoot some hoops. I got all the steel that's going to be our new covered porch. So these 4x4 square steel tubing will hold up the porch. We'll cut it all to fit, weld it up on site. And then I got these 1x3 pieces that will sit on top of the roof. So it'll be strong, it'll be modern, it'll be cool. And then we're adding tongue and groove wood on top of it to finish off the ceiling. Looks good.
All of the cabinets are getting painted. For the main space, I chose a warm beige. And in the family room, I wanted to add a little contrast, so I picked a dark charcoal that's cozy for the built-ins. I also had a Dutch door made to give the back of this house a cottage feel. And we're running a gas line for the new fire pit.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going? so it's kind of heavy.
This is gonna be the top of a kitchen island.
Put them right here.
All right. I wanted to have a little engraving on there that says always on my mind. Maybe right here.
Right along there.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it, it's like delicate. Oh, it looks so good. Seeing Kimberly's house come together, it is just so exciting. I cannot wait to show Kimberly. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's incredible.
It is so pretty.
Oh my God. I can't believe it.
It is incredible. It's so beautiful.
Oh, I love it. I'm so glad. When we first talked, we talked about a modern farmhouse. So we tried to take that farmhouse feel, but also really wanted to just add a little bit of character and charm. And I think now it, like with the shake and taking out that one post made such a huge difference. So it's hopefully very welcoming.
It's beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
This is not my house. It looks so different. Before, always looked messy, and now this looks beautiful, and it's all organized. That is
Yes.
awesome.
So check out your kitchen.
Oh my goodness. This just doesn't even feel like my kitchen. It looks so different.
I know.
I love the light colors. It's so bright.
We didn't really expand the footprint of the kitchen. We just closed off that door to the laundry room, but we were able to gain all this for storage.
Ah, I won't even know what to put in all these drawers. This is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's like out of a magazine. It is beautiful.
I wanted it to just be dark and kind of moody, but also really comfortable in here.
It's
Picture you
incredible.
guys all
You
in
guys
here.
have done an awesome job.
Should we go outside? And you get to go out this beautiful door that we had made.
Oh,
Isn't that so
You
cute?
do a little pass through, and you just open it up and head out and check out your back
Yeah.
porch.
Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. Wow. And what a great space. And it's
Yes.
covered so we can come out here when
Yes.
it's raining. This is fabulous. It's like twice the size that I had
Yes,
before.
right? It just all flows really nice from all the different spaces and going outside.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And the fire pit.
Yes.
This is a family tradition right here. Always enjoying time around the fire pit. And you've built me this nice little walkway
I know,
to
isn't
get
this
out
cute?
there.
And Dave made this.
We just really wanted something that
Wow.
you didn't have to worry about. You could come out here, enjoy it, and then shut it off when you're
Easy.
done.
We'll get so much enjoyment out of this.
Okay, so we have one more space around the corner here. We have a little spot for the boys.
Oh my goodness. Fabulous. I love the little seating area.
Yeah. They don't have to play in the street anymore.
It might extend into the dark, so we gave the boys a little light.
They're gonna be super excited.
Yeah.
Oh, never give up.
You told me about Darren always told the boys never give up. And so we wanted this from the place where they will be most often.
I love that. This is gonna bring so much meaning to my boys when they're out here or if they're having a bad day.
Yeah.
And this will bring them so much hope and joy. More than we know. More than we know. I know.
All right, well, that's it.
I know that he would love to see this house done.
Oh.
He would just love it. Thank you both.
All right, well, we're gonna let you enjoy this with your family.
Yeah, go get your kids.
Yes, thank you.
I
Thank you for letting us
am
be a part
thrilled
of it.
over the top.